we are trekking, sacrificing my... Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to Liyai Khullen and we'll be going and visiting the place where the Himalayan Giant Lily is blooming. It is season, so let's go and see. I believe my friends arrived. So let's go. Yamna nungsijaraba lei phajaba leiba mafamda ngasi ngasi aikoi Liyai Khullen da thokningai aikoi journey hore sida lengsin birakpa aikoi gi tamo amamam da introduce tosra
When the Panjarabada,
ikai khumnaraba
ngai da panjariba ai sing
Minister Paramba.
Okay.
So we're going to department director so is Ramba.
Hojik na.
Hojik na. Sport complex da. In charge on Pubiriba.
Okay, from the beginning itself, we have started having fun. It is so good that we could able to, gather together and come out like this. So let us enjoy together, and I will be showing you the big giant Himalayan lily, the tallest lily in the world. So let's go and see, guys, and let's have fun. We are finally here at Mount Tatupi. It is raining a little bit and we're gonna have a cup of tea and we'll be moving on. Raining, but we have to reach our destination. My friends back there, we are here at Tatupi and we will be moving out. The weather is gloomy and it's cloudy. Sadi talk train muko. Smile talk ne have the kang de but ngasai chat pa ho bagan di kaisu tote like fresh way but it was clear before. But when we reached here, suddenly the weather change started pouring down a little bit and we are here, but still we will be going to our destination since we already moved out. So let's see and check out what will be happening. I hope we will able to go and see the flower. Yeah.
Right.
Ingo to ma'am. Foggy oire, dark oire, nong kra tara le. Let's go. We are having fun with some music and yeah, it's very good to ride in this type of weather. Let's go. Wide angle dali. We are getting stuck, guys. The car is white and this is white and we are going to push now. Yeah. So we'll see. Maning kala halo soji. Si mamang nan cái tội ba. Mamang tat le ba. Yan, ikan. Ya. Yan ni ba. Sampai yung tamo. Left to ung la lấy này. Yên chưa rồi? Lại cái in han. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
News of the day.
Okay, it is 9:22 now, and we are stuck here on the way to Beivoli. We are supposed to go and see the biggest lily in the world, the Himalayan Giant Lily. But because of the rain, we got stuck and our vehicle couldn't go up anymore. So we'll wait here for a while, and then we'll try on our foot.
We try our best but could not proceed.
Yeah, we'll try on our foot with bare head. Bare head means without umbrella. Okay, so we'll wait and see. Yeah. So we local bread.
Wow.
Cái local bread thằng là tôi trả ra leo chứ mong chủ cái đó.
We got local bread from Liyai Village, not this one.
We're supposed to steal the plum, but we got local bread, so we'll stop the plum. But it's very good, very tasty. Cháu tôi test tôi reaction đi nhìn xem đó. Chỉ có reaction đi nhìn xem. Umbrella tôi lão nè khá. Chờ, bite. I want to see the reaction.
How is it?
Bite. Wow. Say hi. Oh, his family miam see the la cái dùng mà cha see the. We are taking shelter. Bye bye. See you afterwards. Our friend is going to try. We have started our trekking. Mi bu ngang mane hay đi yatre. Loi na mot le. Kari in ma dago. Our vehicle got slip. So while pushing, all dirty, splash with mud. My bands are gone. Mangra ken dawira hundreda khoi kan trekking di chali. Oh. Hey. Hey.
Almost.
Hey. Hey. We are trekking. Say. Hey. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, look at me. Look at us. On the way to meet the tallest lily. No worries. We are here at the checkpoint. We have reached. And backside we can already see the flower backside. See. Wow, we are going to visit now. And here is our Misho Sharukan. Just kidding. Let's go. Hi, as you can see, we are already here. And see, check out the flower. It's much more taller and higher than me. It's so beautiful. Check out the flowers, see, guys. Very beautiful and very dull. See, all flower at my pack. Wow, what a view. Okay, we are going to stay here for a while. We can check out all this. We'll roam around, take some photos, and yeah, it's good. I think it's worth it coming here finally. Though we are all wet and muddy. Yeah, it's awesome. Let's photo card. Let's see. Can photo card. Let's see. Woo! To view. Check out the view. Check out the flower, guys. So beautiful. We were so crazy right after seeing the flower. And we didn't come to explore this side, so we are coming up now. And swing
Flowers.
Listen to the bird.
Giant Lily.
Listen to the bird. Check out the flowers. It's very dull. much more higher than me and Angja. Much more higher than me and Angja.
How beautiful is it? Blooming.
Woo! It's very foggy.
Blooming. Rains of the.
Chị thật đó. Trek xa là visit xa mà nó gần sẵn đó lý chị.
Chốt na hay rồi.
Chốt là hay. It's very beautiful. See, check the flower. It's very tall. Ili chui mi khar is chứ. Much more higher than me. Oh. Phải gì? Yam more to ye. Mà thật đó gì su khá lại. Vậy nó có sự gì ạ? Ngay ta. Khá yam mà đi cũng mà oi rồi su lôi nó chốt rồi su city word oi. Nung sai đi khá nung xí ba khá quạt lắm mà này mà. Hậu chỉ đi môn đa thôi tụm hả lại. It is very nice, very nice. Chúng nó gì? Đã đây lấy bụi đã lấy đây. Thấy fresh say. Wow. We are going to swing now. Let's go. 1, 2, and go. Yeah. Wow. Let's go. As mamang udap na hen ano ngayon? Mamang udik yin. Xin chào hen ano ngayon dito. May day ngayon dài đóเลยsi mong chuyệnกัน. Oh, lily này vậy. So we are having lunch. This is the most important part. Si lunch sa ba si yaw do ba ya de yen sa adna oksa matam le ra da
Lấy đun nó tê. Chắc chắn này.
giant lily.
차도 무대.
Wow. They have a little court here. See, lots of them are playing. Many people came to visit. See, this is all flower. It started to get cloudy again. Check it out, guys. All of our match is going on here. A lot of people came to visit today. So see, many staying shelter in that house. Look at that, see, many. Get out this side as well. Many came to visit today. So I am standing here at a watchtower and checking out the places from above. Many people came to visit and it's amazing. It is still raining, yet we are all having fun and enjoying. It's becoming more clear again now, and then after some time it will become cloudy again, so it's all like that. But it's good, it's so fun. It's worth it, you know, it's worth it. It's amazing. Little bit scary. So look at my back. Many came to visit. Oh my god. I'll put a very good detail and location of the place in the description, so please check it out, and then you can also come and visit, and it's worth it. It is blooming season, so it's very good. Come and visit. For the last time, guys, we are going back now. It's still raining, but yeah, still standing inside here and see. For the last time, I'm showing you. Okay, so we will be moving back now. It's all foggy. Hojiti yum chat ngay torge. We are going back now. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. Ah, let me done. See, check out the road. Now we are returning back. Traffic jam.
Oh, tao. Na lim sơ.
Traffic jam sai. Traffic jam tới những món miệng. Yam là ngay chắn đi. Ngay xin nông chúa xin mìm yam đây. Kia hey! If there will be no fog, woo. Oh my God, this is so scary. Look down. Tu. Wow. Oh, this is scary. I'm going back. Whoa. Hello everyone. Finally we are back here at our 0 point. So we'll be taking our vehicle and move back home. It's still raining, but we had fun and we had a good time. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and please do continue to support.
Yam nungai re.
This is the last episode.
Oh, si nong su bani adubu. Koi jaga du yaurag yam nungai. Kena me am visit tobiyo.
Place yam phajai.
Liyai Village Senapati da laibani. Senapati da laibami kudi makti visit tobiyai.
Liyai Khullen.
Liyai Khullen.
I will be putting the exact location in the description so you can check it out.
Okay, check it out, and please subscribe and support my friend.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, guys. See you again in the next video. We'll go back.